Well, welcome back again to another new vacuum. So, this is a Bissell Cleanview 12 amp that I just recently purchased on eBay. It was brand spanking new. I'm not going to say how much I paid for it. That's pretty irrelevant. I'm going to do a little bit of pre-vacuuming in my living room here because I'm going to do some carpet shampooing. That won't be on camera, but I will show off this in action. Like I said, this is the 12 amp, not the normal 8 amp Cleanview. So I would venture to say it's got more airflow and suction power, but I have no way of testing that. So you'll just have to somewhat believe me. So there's that. It pushes very easily. It grooms very nicely. It's got the wide variety of attachments so I can clean upholstery or whatever, But yeah, I actually like this machine so far. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos as always. Thank you.